Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your keyboard is connected with PC via cable or wireless adapter. Once it is, let's go to Software and Endorfy Keyboards and select Thock V2 series. Then install Endorfy Keyboards NX and turn on the app. As you can see, the keyboard will be automatically connected. If you want to manage the keyboard settings via app, make sure it's connected via cable for instant changes. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.